that could change everything. It's called Wolf 1069b, and it orbits a small, quiet star. But why is it so special? This planet sits in the Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot and not too cold, making it possible for liquid water to exist. And where there's water, there could be life. Wolf 1069b is about the same size as Earth, and it's rocky, just like our home. Could this be the new Earth we've been searching for? Scientists are eager to find out. The planet is close enough to its star to stay warm, but far enough to avoid dangerous solar radiation. But what truly lies on Wolf 1069b? Could there be oceans, mountains, or maybe even creatures looking up at the stars like we do? The more we discover about this mysterious world, the closer we come to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Wolf 1069b could be the key.
What if you could time travel to any era? Imagine standing in ancient Egypt, watching the pyramids being built with your own eyes, or walking through a medieval castle, feeling the cold stone walls and hearing knights preparing for battle. But what if you accidentally landed in the future? A world where technology has taken over and robots rule the cities. Could you survive in a place where nothing is familiar? Each era holds mysteries, dangers, and incredible moments. Would you risk it all to experience them? The past and future await, but can you ever come back once you go?
Now, what if humans moved underground to survive? Imagine living in underground cities, powered by geothermal heat. No sunlight means no sunsets, no sunrises, just the constant hum of life under the Earth's crust. We'd all be pale, vitamin D deficient mole people. Fancy that? Alright, so the sun's gone. Time to pack up and find a new star, right? Only problem is, we're not exactly ready to hop on a spaceship and cruise to the next solar system. Plus, even if we could, where would we go? Our options are limited. So unless Elon Musk has something up his sleeve, we're stuck here for the ride. Eventually, Earth would be an icy, lifeless rock floating through space. The atmosphere would collapse, the air would thin out, and whatever was left of life on Earth could be frozen in time. So yeah, not the best ending to the story. So, what's the takeaway? Let's just hope the sun keeps shining for a long, long time. Because if it suddenly went dark, well, let's just say you'd want to start shopping for some serious winter gear.
What are the scariest things in the world? Sure, spiders and heights might give you the chills, but the real terrors are even more shocking. Picture the deep, dark ocean, where mysterious creatures like the giant squids swim in the shadows, so rare that scientists barely know them. Or think about space, cold, silent, and infinite, where it's just you and the endless void. Scary, right? Then there are natural disasters like earthquakes and tornadoes that hit out of nowhere, leaving destruction in their path. But even scarier? Superbugs, tiny, invisible bacteria that no medicine can stop. They're out there waiting. What would you do if you came face to face with one of these nightmares?
In 1977, humanity sent two small probes into the unknown, Voyager 1 and 2. They were meant to explore our solar system, but what happened next went beyond anyone's imagination. Voyager 1 is over 14 billion miles from Earth, the farthest any man-made object has ever traveled. It left the bubble of our solar system and entered interstellar space, where the environment is completely alien. It sends whispers from the edges of our solar system, strange sounds from deep space. Voyager 2 followed, sending back data from Uranus and Neptune, places no other spacecraft has visited. Over 40 years later, both probes continue to send signals back to Earth. They carry a golden record with the sounds of Earth, a message to any life they may encounter. Imagine something built by us, floating between stars, carrying the story
Across the ground. But did you know they come in all shapes and sizes? Some are small, quick, and disappear in seconds, while others turn into massive, unstoppable forces. There's the familiar supercell tornado. Yes, the kind that rips through towns. But have you ever heard of a wedge tornado? It's so huge, it can look like a wall of clouds crashing down. And let's not forget the water storm. A tornado over water, just waiting to move onto land. These storms are unpredictable and powerful. Can you imagine what it would be like to face one?
Imagine two of the densest objects in the universe speeding toward each other. These are neutron stars, leftovers from massive stars that exploded long ago. Now picture them colliding. The moment they meet, it's like a cosmic fireworks show. The impact creates a shockwave so powerful that it ripples through space itself. Gold and other precious metals are forged in this chaos, scattered across the universe like confetti. But that's not all. This collision might even create a black hole, a hungry beast ready to gobble up anything nearby. It's a cosmic clash that's both terrifying and awe-inspiring.